In this video, I'm going to give you some freelancing tips so you can get your freelance business going and start making money with it as soon as possible. So I have been a freelancer for the past 7 years now, and I've been building my freelance business. I literally built it from the bottom floor. So I started with nothing. I didn't have any knowledge of how to actually build a freelance business. I didn't know what I was doing. So I literally learned as I was growing, as I was building it up. And so now that I have the knowledge I have, I would love to share that with you. So I have created this thing called the Freelance Success Formula. And this Freelance Success Formula is a 3-step process for building a freelance business from the bottom floor. It is the exact steps that I have taken to build my freelance business from making zero, making $5 an hour, to where it is today, to where I make so much more. And like my income is, I make around 10K more each year. So my income continues to go up more and more as I grow. And it has significantly gone up even during a few of those years. Like it amazes me how I have gone from literally making nothing to making something, and it keeps growing more and more. So with the Freelance Success Formula, this 3-step process, the first step you're going to take when it comes to building a freelance business from the bottom floor is you're going to learn an in-demand skill. An in-demand skill is important because you want to make money right away. You absolutely have to learn an in-demand skill because you want to know that there's potential clients already out there in the world that are looking for what it is that you're going to learn, that skill that you're going to learn. It has to be in demand. I know as soon as you learn, you can start connecting with those potential clients and start earning money with them. You don't want to learn something where there's nobody there looking for it, where you can't actually make money with it, because then it's a waste of your time to actually learn it. So starting off, you want to learn an in-demand skill. And it's easy to find in-demand skills. All you'd have to do is go to google.com, of course, and just search for in-demand skills. And you will find a wide range of them. And who knows, you might actually already have an in-demand skill that you're actually not making money with yet. So simply put, search for in-demand skills. Find one that you really, really like, one that you would be excited to do for a living, one that you would enjoy creating for those clients, delivering to them and actually getting paid for it. Because you don't want to do something that you don't like doing, right? Because that's, for most people, that's what they're doing currently with the job that they have. They do it because it pays their bills, and that's about it. There's no joy, there's no fulfillment for them. You want to do something and find that in-demand skill that you actually genuinely enjoy and would love doing for clients, because you'll be doing it for a long time and you'll be getting paid a good amount of money with it and for it. All right, so the next step number 2 in building your freelance business from the bottom floor, the next step that I took after actually I was learning and growing, and this is what I have learned in that process. The step number 2 is to create a portfolio of your work. So simply put, whatever that in-demand skill is that you're learning, whether it be video editing, video production, put a bunch of those videos together, high quality videos that you have edited and produced. Put it together in a portfolio. You can put it on a website, you can upload it to Dropbox, you can put it on Google Drive. Have that all together so that you can direct potential clients to that portfolio so they can see the work that you provide and be excited to work with you. They'll see, they'll look at it and be like, possibly, this is a possibility. And then they'll reach out to you. They have to be able to see what it is that you can create for them. So create some high quality, whether it be videos, posts, whatever it is that in-demand skill is. If it's web design, make sure that you have a portfolio online that shows them what it is you can create for them. And last but not least, this is a really, really important key, is the number 3 in the 3-step process of the Freelance Success Formula. And that is connecting with potential clients. That is absolutely key, because that's how you make money. That's the difference between a struggling artist and a freelance artist that is actually thriving. You want to thrive. You want to actually make money. So you have to connect with those potential clients that are looking for that in-demand skill that you just learned in the first step. So you learn that in-demand skill, you're creating a portfolio of your work, and now you want to get in front of those clients that are looking for the work that you can provide. The easiest and most effective way to do that is freelance platforms. freelance platforms will get you there, and there's a wide range of freelance platforms out there. There's so many freelance platforms that have come about. Even LinkedIn now has a freelance platform as well. So you can actually get onto LinkedIn and connect with those potential clients. So get onto those freelance platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer, Guru, Legit, and there's a lot of other ones as well. Create a profile on that platform. Actually, you can have your portfolio on those platforms as well, so the potential clients will see what it is that you can provide. So put up your best work on there. Have a nice picture of yourself, your good profile. Make sure that everything is in place so that it won't leave anything for that client to be like, maybe I'll go to the next person, So if you provide like good quality videos, whatever it might be, and they see that, they'll reach out to you. In your profile, put, if there's any background that you have with whatever it is that in-demand skill is, put that on there. I didn't have anything starting out. I had absolutely no experience. I didn't know how to do voiceovers. I kind of just learned as I went. Videos, I edited a few videos, but I didn't have much of a background with it. I just was learning that too. And so, yeah, if you already have an in-demand skill, like, start making money with it, especially if it's something that you enjoy. But if you don't, then learn that in-demand skill. Create that portfolio of your work and get in front of those potential clients on those freelance platforms and start doing the work. And then you will start building a thriving freelance business from the bottom floor. And that's it. That is the whole freelance success formula right there for you. So hopefully this video was helpful. And if it was, you could download the Freelance Success Formula, get access to that for free. I will include a link in the description to the video, and that ebook goes into more detail about what it is I just mentioned in this video. It is the Freelance Success Formula itself, and it provides more details in terms of your in-demand skill, in terms of creating your portfolio and connecting with those potential clients on those freelance platforms. It goes into more depth, and you can get access to that for free. I'll include the link to the Freelance Success Formula in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, because that lets me know this is really good content, and it helps you, because I want to provide as much value as possible. If you have any questions, make sure that you let me know in the comment section below. I will answer you, and if need be, I can actually create a whole video about whatever that question is that you have. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful, and I wish you much success in your freelance journey. Happy freelancing, and I will see you in the next video.